Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking. We are making shrimp scampi. So I'm gonna go ahead and boil some pasta. We have some vegetables to cut. Some shrimp is thawing and we're just going to cook right here with my love. Walking Dead is on the TV.
Yeah.
We're just waiting for that to come up as well. So, all right, let's start. We already added olive oil in our water. It's gonna get to the boiling point. You want to add some salt. You know, the noodles nice and flavorful. Chop up some. I think I got a zucchini, and then some onion because this bitch loves onion. And then I got a bell pepper, and then, oh, some broccoli. Should we use that? Oh, yeah, it's not be good in the thing, but...
Apple cider.
You want an apple in there?
We're not putting an apple in our shrimp scampi.
So... Not yet, but we're gonna go ahead and cut our bell pepper. Do the bell pepper like that. You're gonna cut it like that, and you're just gonna cut it up in like slices, like that. Alright, so we're gonna get our other slice thing, bell pepper shit right here. Okay, so we got our bell peppers. I think I'm gonna do a cut across them. I'm just gonna put them all together like this. Chop these up. For these ones, I want them to be kind of cube sized. So we're gonna go ahead and take, you could take a few or however many you're comfortable with cutting like this. We're gonna go ahead and just chop in the middle like that. And then go ahead and chop in the middle again like that. And do that, do the rest until you're done. It's actually the first time we're making shrimp scampi, so I'm excited. We're gonna take our onion, and for this one, you never wanna cut this part off because, what?
Messes with your eyes. People say try to put an onion on your head, that don't work.
What?
That's stupid.
What do you mean?
Oh, put an onion on your head.
I understand onion slices on your feet, but on your head. So I just chop it in half. We're not going to use the whole thing because we don't want to overpower our dish. So we're going to put this one away back in the fridge. And we're going to use this one. So you just chop off the end. And you're going to peel away the outer first and second layers, and then you're gonna start slicing. Try your best to keep the onion slices together. We're gonna go ahead and chop it the other way as well. I'm gonna turn it around. So I already chopped it this way, and now we're gonna turn it around and we're gonna chop it this way. And you don't want to chop it too small because when you cook onion, it melts or it becomes soft. So if you want actual onion, you want to chop it up kind of big. We're going to open our package here. Half of it, this is angel hair pasta. And I'm just pulling half out. Okay. Set it in here.
It's angel hair, so it's gonna go down.
Okay.
Give me a fork.
Yeah, you want to keep mixing, otherwise
I like to clump
the
together.
pasta is going to stick to the bottom. So every so often you
That's why you
want to
put-
keep mixing.
Don't forget to put olive oil.
We're going to get it to an al
Okay,
dente
bye.
stage, which is about 9 or 10 minutes. Black pepper, parsley, garlic, minced garlic. We got our minced garlic, lemon juice, and then my boyfriend's gonna run out to the yard to get a lemon because we're gonna incorporate some lemon zest into this meal. The noodles are halfway there. Pasta away.
That's like I like that. Here.
Oh yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and strain our pasta. And don't. This is like the scariest part of cooking pasta. Get all the water out, strain it good. Put it back in the pot. Should I add some more olive oil to that?
Butter, actually.
Butter. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add some butter. Butter makes everything taste good. So you put butter, and it's also going to keep the pasta from, you know, sticking together as much. So butter. Butter it up.
Grate that butter.
Pasta's already done. Now we are heating up our pan. Let that heat up. We're gonna add some oil to that. We're gonna get our shrimp. We're gonna move the shrimp and we're gonna put the shrimp in there.
I like the band. Here. Shrimp. Here.
Our oil.
Definitely didn't wait for it to heat up, as you can tell, guys. You
Honey,
see this water in there?
you know what?
Watch what happens, you guys, when you put oil and water together.
Okay, I'm not a chef.
Uh-oh, it's starting to get crazier. Oh, shit. She is a crazy girl. She's ready to get burnt. Here it goes. There's more over here now. Nope, that's water right there. There it goes. Look out! Woo! Water and oil do not mix, fellas and gals.
Yeah, make sure your pan is
Usage.
dry. I've been getting a bunch of these today. I don't know why. We've been using Wi-Fi, so it's kind of annoying. I don't know what the fuck's going on, but...
Shrimp.
Okay, so
In
now
the
we're gonna add the
pan.
shrimp to our pan.
And
And
watch out, there's gonna be a war. Get them pinkish a little bit before you
yeah,
put
you
them
want to
in
get
the
them
oven.
pink. That means they are ready to go. Our salt.
Salt.
Get your pepper, pepper them up.
If you like pepper.
Huh?
If you like pepper.
I love pepper. Pepper's good. Lemon juice.
Well, you want me to videotape, so that's good.
Go ahead and add some minced garlic, maybe like about
Never have enough garlic, actually. Get a
Like-
good couple good scoops, and maybe another one if I get. Here it is.
Okay.
Sorry I cussed, guys. My bad. But I just love effing garlic. Garlic.
Okay, and then you're gonna just mix it around.
I'm gonna go grab some lemon zest.
Excuse me. Sorry. What you doing? Oh,
He's in a bad mood.
he's always in a bad mood. Fighting all the time.
Citron.
It smells so good. Ooh, they're getting nice and pink. Take the shrimp and put it on a plate. We're gonna set that aside. We're gonna go ahead and cook our vegetables.
Keep some of that butter in there. There you go.
Okay. Butter. So our zucchini, our bell pepper, our onion. Some salt to this. Some pepper. Cover this up. I'd say about like 4 or 5 minutes. That's what we want. Add our shrimp to our veggies. Some more butter because it's calling for it. And add our parsley. Parsley it up.
Oh yeah, there you go. That's right. It's on a little high. Let's turn that down a little bit. Let's do it.
Lemon zest.
Lemon zest.
Lemon. More lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
And mix this up. Oh yeah, there he goes. Alright, so I think this is ready to be incorporated into our pasta.
So I like my pasta a little plain anyways.
I like it saucy. He likes his little plain.
We kind of messed up because we got the shrimp with the things on the side. Unpeeled shrimp. So it's a little more work.
And that's our finished product. Alright guys, so that concludes this cooking segment. We're sitting down, we're about to chow down on this. Walking Dead is about to start. And let me know if you guys tried this recipe, if you have any alterations or tried something different with this recipe. Let me know in the comment section below. Like and subscribe, it really helps out my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Saucy. scampi. I love my lemon.
What a crybaby.
Stay focused.
Get focused. Somebody's going down. What is going on?
Mmm.
You really believe
That's
in
good.
God? Of course I believe in God. What kind of person does not believe in God? I guess I kind of.
So I'm actually eating it with the peel on because it's not that bad. I kind of like it. And it came out so tasty, so buttery and delicious.
Shrimp scampi.
Shrimp scampi.
I want to look for Sophia. We're going to stay here until we find her.
Everything okay with her?
Think she might be one of us?
Why do I scare you?
I don't know, you just do.
Everybody can't be bad. They need us. They'll die without us. You need to know how to fight.
Do 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 do.